Okay. Listen, the procedures went well, but it has come back, and we found it too late. I know this isn't an easy conversation, so I want to make sure we take this one step at a time. So we've got the results back from your scans and your biopsy. What this shows is that the cancer in your lung is what we classify as metastasis stage T4.
I wouldn't.
I'm sorry?
I wouldn't do that. Horrible habit to have.
I only do occasionally.
You say that now, but in a few years' time, you'll be coughing into a paper bag like an airplane mask. I know what I'm talking about.
Okay. I won't smoke it.
Thank you. What's your name, son?
It's Jack.
I'm Jay. You having a good night, Jack?
I guess.
What do you mean you guess?
Sorry, mate. Not being funny, but why should I have to tell you anything? It's my first year of uni. So, it's my first time away from home. I don't really know anybody. And this normally isn't really my scene.
Yeah, no, I get it. Yeah, I remember my first year at uni. I barely spoke to anyone, but I really regretted it afterwards. You'll find your people, I promise. What are you studying?
Philosophy.
Philosophy. Intense. Sure that's what you want to do?
Yeah, I think so. I'm not too sure, but I did it at college. So we'll see what happens after uni.
Just make sure it is what you want to do, because you don't want to leave uni with any regrets.
Sure.
You got a girl in your life, Jack?
What's with all the questions?
Sorry, I'm just curious. Is she in there tonight?
Yeah, I've seen her a couple of times.
Why don't you go talk to her?
I have no idea what to say. It's not that simple.
Just go and talk to her. You'll regret it if you don't.
How do I do that?
I don't know, you just go up and say hi, the rest will sort itself out. Look, you're a good kid, she'll see that.
I suppose. Hey, How did you know how?
Do you love yourself, Jack?
What?
I mean, sorry, do you like yourself? Because we can talk about self-confidence and go and talk about to the girl at the party, but it's meaningless unless you don't see it yourself. Jack, this is you, yeah? This is your life. We all make mistakes. So if you just learn to love yourself a little bit, then you're going to live a better life than I did. Look, just keep studying. Go talk to the girl. And for the love of God, give up smoking, okay?
Okay, sure. Got it.
Well, I'm going to go now, okay? Look, if you have a struggle to find a purpose, then just listen to yourself. It can make all the difference. Take care, Jack.